So you will see this used to be a house of someone very famous. We're redeeming ourselves, well, myself, from yesterday from giving you a wrong information. Hiya! Today we are in Belgravia. Ooh, nice car. Look. Fancy. Today we are in Belgravia and doing our pumpkin trail. So we're gonna see a lot of installations of another Rolls Royce. See? And we're gonna show you around Belgravia, and this place is actually a lot of where all the embassies of different countries, as you can see all of the flags here, and you're gonna see more over there. And of course it's a very posh area. It's more posh than Chelsea, I would say. Don't you think?
I think so.
Yeah. I just don't know what the average rent here is compared to Chelsea, but
They don't allow normal people to live here.
yeah, so they don't allow normal people to live here, only the ambassadors, ambassadress of each country. So we'll see. Norway. So they limit 20 miles per hour here. So even though you own the sports car, you're only allowed to go 20 miles per hour. Yeah, exactly. So taxis, kids. Ah, see, is that Italian flag?
I think so.
Oh, it's so pretty. What? Where? Oh. Grosvenor Mew. So we are gonna walk through here. Oh, is it closed? Oh, it is closed. So here in London, there's a lot of mews, and they're basically just alleyways. And the cost of the house in each of these mews is probably around £1 million or more. Yeah, 1 million minimum.
Like 10 million.
10 million?
I think so.
The average property here is 10 million.
Someone needs to fact check.
Yeah.
I think that's.
We're gonna ask our assistant. And then we're gonna turn right here because we couldn't go on that mew because they closed it. The other day it was open. Maybe they only open it on the weekends. Yes. Oh, look at that. Cute. They're like, we made it. It's a weekend sleepover. Rich kids. How rich do you think those kids are? Definitely richer than me. Rolls Royce, you see that? Oh wait, look at that one. Oh no. So we are in Elizabeth Street. And you will see a lot of nice stores here, and this is their main square in Belgravia. I think Elizabeth Street. Where?
The big pole.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, we're going there. Oh, okay, so I found a fun fact. So in each building that has this specific plaque, that means someone famous or a celebrity used to live there. So for this one we have, oh, it's an old police station. So just kidding. It's usually something historical. Private news. Goldsmith the working jeweler. No? Where is the coffee shop here that has a long line the other day? I think it's this one. Yeah. Ah, this one. So there's Bailey and Sage. We have the Chanel Tower here. And behind that we have Peggy Portion. And they have the very nice, beautiful cupcakes. That is very overpriced, but it's really good. What do you think?
I think so. Manny Pacquiao's wife went there.
What?
Manny Pacquiao's wife went there.
Oh, Manny Pacquiao's wife. Yeah, Jinky P. Jinky P went there. So beautiful. So the main street is Elizabeth Street and the corner of Eber Street. You'll see the coffee shop there, Peggy Portion, Bailey and Sage. Oh, what is this? I don't know what that is. And then if you're looking for a flat or a house, wow, they have a lot of properties for sale. I'm pretty sure it's free, but you have a companion already. Crazy. Look at this. Drowning Street. Nevermore Place. Sudbrook Girl. Crystal Lake. Coach station. Oh, look at that library. So beautiful. We're going to Eccleston Yards. I don't even know if I saw it. So it's a square. Ah, they're all closed already? Oh, Oribe. Yes, my favorite hair oil. One day of using it and it's already my favorite. Oribe. Jones family. Yeah, so this is the Eccleston Yard? Eccleston Place, and you can see Belgravia is always a good audio. So summer, during Wimbledon, they have a big screen here and they show the Wimbledon tournament, and people can just sit here, relax, enjoy some drinks, and just enjoy tennis. We're gonna go back to Elizabeth Street, Ever Street. So quiet for Friday. Huh. Please pat the dog. Come on, pat the dog. Oh my god. It's not moving though.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's pretty much Belgravia. The what? And what? In a nutshell, yeah, exactly. So yeah, let us know what you think in the comments below. And again, this one, see? George Moore, do you know him?
Nope.
He lived and died here. Spooky. And we're back at Elizabeth Street and Ever Street. And a lot of rubbish. It's rubbish day, rubbish day. Belgravia dog daycare. Look at this. We are at Sloane Street. Big. Oh, look how pretty. Ha. Like an angry man. So pretty. Yeah, it's my turn to take a. That's so pretty. Belgravia.
Her name tag.
Alright. So that is it for today. There's not much here in Belgravia. It's just a lot of, it's very residential and a lot of overpriced stores and
Coffee shops.
coffee shops. Yep. Alrighty.
Thank you for joining us on our walk today.
Babush. So you'll see this, the Muse. And can you tell us about it?
Yeah, I would love to. Back in the 17th and 18th century, it was created just for coaches and horses. So like all the neighborhood, I guess, would just keep, I don't know, it's like a parking, I guess, before there were cars.
And
Of course, once cars came around in the early 1900s, I think, well, eventually after that, of course, they were converted into just a simple garage or into a flat or a house.
yeah, as you've seen on that video earlier. Very interesting. Whoa! So there is another view here, and you'll see this around London. So where does cul-de-sac come from?
It's an old French expression from like the 1700s. I think it started being used in England in the 1700s. In French, it means end of the sack. Cul-de-sac.
End of the sack. What's a sack? Sacré-Cœur.
It's just like a housing area. Street.
So beautiful during the fall. Look at this. Today is October 27th.
Or maybe that's why it's called bag end.
What?
In Lord of the Rings, the end of the bag. End of the sack.
Bag end. So over here, you will see. You will see that this street was very, very famous. What year was it? In the 90s or 70s? When did they get married?
Who?
The lady who used to live here. When did they got married? In the 80s? Yeah.
I think.
So you will see this used to be a house of someone very famous who was a commoner. Well, they told the people that she was a commoner, but over here you will see we're redeeming ourselves, well, myself, from yesterday from giving you a wrong information. So the blue plaque that you saw earlier was a plaque that they put in the buildings if there is a historical significance. So the first plaque that we saw at Belgravia was the old police station. And then this one, the one over here, was the plaque because the historical significance of it was Princess Diana or Lady Diana or whatever you call her name, but I call her Princess Diana, used to live here. So if you've seen some of the pictures where all the paparazzi was trying to take a picture of her when she was a teacher before she got married to King Charles or Prince Charles back then, this was the street. So how cool is that?
Very cool.
You're so excited about it. Yeah, so I hope my redemption is good from the blue plaque. Alrighty, baboosh. That's it. Ah! We're going this way now.